Is it your desire to own a luxurious 4-bedroom Maisonette in the heart of Lekki, Lagos? Let me take you through a tour of this massive one here in Lekki Phase 1, Lagos. So come along, let me show you a tour. Welcome to this ambience of a 4-bedroom Maisonette duplex in the heart of Lekki Phase 1, Lagos. You can see this is where we have the parking space. This parking space is spacious enough for all the residents, all the cars we're going to have in this estate. You can see all these black spots are places where you are going to park your cars, and this is a very secure environment. We have CCTV cameras all over the places. We have the CCTV over here, we have over there, and all other things that we have as well. What of the things you enjoy in these apartments include, we have beautified flowers and trees for you, green area that we have done for you. Also, part of the things I want to show you in here, we have a swimming pool, we have a communal swimming pool, we have a laundry, and we have a boys quarters and a lot. And as well, there is also an elevator for the occupants, for the resident in this wonderful estate. So let me show you more before we move into the unit where we are going to show you the 4-bedroom Maisonette in here. So over here is where we have the swimming pool. Let me give you a glimpse of the swimming pool we have over here. So just a glimpse of it. So over here is where we have the swimming pool. And here is where we are going to have the gym, the communal gym for the occupants in here. So these are few of the things that you have to enjoy in this wonderful masterpiece of 4-bedroom Maisonette in here. So join me next end of the video where I'll be showing you the interior of a 4-bedroom Maisonette in here. So let's go. Welcome to the luxurious 4-bedroom Maisonette duplex here in Lekki, Lagos. So I will take a tour of this apartment for you, and you're going to see what we have for you in here. You can see this is your own wing here in this apartment, in this 4-bedroom Maisonette duplex. So when you're coming in, this is where you have the anteroom, and here is where you have your visitor's restroom. So this is the visitor's restroom here. You can see the way we have it for you. Now, let me now take you to where we have the living room and what we have in here, everything you're going to see in this video. You can see as a Maisonette duplex, you have your own living room separate, and you have your own unit for the 3 bedrooms you have upstairs. Here we have the kitchen, and we have a room for the visitors room down in this exit. So what I will do, let's take a tour of this living room first. You can see this is a wonderful design. This is a masterpiece. This is a well-crafted and a well-designed apartment. This is lovely, and you can even see from the designs of what we have put in place in here for you. So this is your console that we readily made for you. Here is where we have the balcony. So this is the balcony. This is the view from the living room. So from the living room, come around, you can see the ambience of your environment. You can see this is in the axis, this is in the heart of Lekki Phase 1. And you can see that you are living in the environment of the like minds. So when you're thinking of owning a luxurious property in the axis of Lekki Phase 1, this is a deal for you. Let's go on this inspection. I'll still show you more what you need to see. Some of the features we have in here for you, we have the CCTV camera, we have the intercom, we have the inbuilt Bluetooth speakers, all of them available in here for you. Let me take you to the kitchen. So come in. This is a well done job, as I keep saying. It's a lovely, and it is very lovely. Now, this is where we have your island here. You can see the design of this island. It's different, it's unique. Here is where we have the 5-phase burner. Here is where we have the heat extractor. We have the microwave and the oven. This is the microwave and this is the oven here. Here is the double door fridge for you. And here is where you have all the cabinetries, So your cabinets that you can store things, all of them are available here. Now, this is is where we have the little pantry for you. So if you want to store some things, this is where you put that. I'm not forgetting the beautiful chandelier you have in here. You can see that all is in this luxury home. And over here, that's where you have the CCTV in the kitchen. So if you want to see what's going on, so this is the CCTV. And also you can see the AC unit we've readily put in there. And here is where you have the switch for all the appliances we have for you. So the washing machine, the air conditioner, the oven, the boiler, the oven, everything is readily there for you. Now, here is where we have the double face zinc, and you can see the ambience of this windows. You can see this ventilation of the window, and you can see the environment. You can see multiple ventilation in here. You have access to everything in here for you. And here is where we have the cabinet as well. So we have all of them here. So you can see from even the texture of the wood itself, you would really love what is being delivered to you. Now, let me take you to the visitors room we have in here. So come in. So this is the visitors room. You can see a beautiful design, a beautiful work here. Look at the tiles, look at the POP design, look at the wardrobes. Every detail in this estate, in this building, is well put into consideration, and you will definitely enjoy everything you put your eyes on in this lovely home. This is where we have the toilet and the bedroom. So see the shower cooking pool, and see the WC, and as well the wash and basin. Everything is there. So let me show you the balcony from the. So this is the balcony from the visitors room view. So you can see the balcony as well. So that is how we have it here. Now having checked the what we have on the downstairs there for you. So now let's go up and see what we have upstairs. So we have 3 bedrooms there, and as well we have the family lounge there. So look at the style of the staircase we give you. There's a wooden staircase. This is a strong one, and it really beautifies this location. Take a look at the chandelier. You can see the 3 big balls chandelier that we've placed here. This is beautiful. This is a beautiful design. So 3 wooden carve that we have done here, that we've put here, really beautifies this place. It's something that you definitely love to see. So you can see the design, the POP design. Here is where we have the family lounge. So this family lounge is spacious enough. You can put your TV here. This is where you have your TV. You can put your console here, and you can even see. Look at this. So look at this design of this open roof here. You can see it beautifies this place. This is a very lovely building. This is a lovely project, which I would definitely love to come around, to come and take a look and see this. So let me take you to the second room we have in here. Look at, this is the second room. Look at the ventilation. Look at the ventilation. It's spacious enough. This is spacious enough for you to put any kind of structure of your bed that you want to put in here. It takes it conveniently. Here is where we have the wardrobe, and over here is where we have the toilet and the bedroom. So can I show you the toilet and the bedroom? So here we have the third room. So this is the third room. So almost of similar design with the second room there. So also common suit with its wardrobe, with the toilet and the bedroom. So it's also there for you. So now let's now go to the owner's suite. Let's go to the master's bedroom. So now let's go to the master's bedroom and let me show you what we have in there for you. I know you would definitely love this, what you're going to see. So come in. So come in to the welcome to the master's bedroom. So look at, when you're talking about beautiful ambience, beautiful structure, and also a well-organized room, this is it. So look at, starting from here, this is where we have the walk-in closet. You can see the walk-in closet for you to put all your clothing and everything, your shoes and everything. Everything is readily here. So this is where we have it here. So look at, so this is the walk-in closet here. This is beautiful. So you have the mirrors, you have all the mirrors here. Everything you want to do is available for you here. So now let me take you to the toilet and the bedroom. So look at the toilet and the bedroom. We have double zinc for you here, double wash hand basin here. This is the shower cubicle, the bathtub, the floating WC. That's how we have it, and you can as well see this beautiful way of how we have designed the roofings for you. Now, let me now take you to the balcony. So, welcome to the balcony. So, see the balcony here. This is the balcony view. So, from the balcony view, we can see what is going on in the environment. And we have these seats readily available in here in this Maisonette for you. So, all you just need to do is get this apartment and start living a luxury life in this estate. This estate comes with swimming pool, comes with a parking space, and a lot like that. You can see this grass of the frontal view of the front terrace. This is part of the things that you enjoy in your environment. And you can as well see the ambience of the environment, a very lovely one. This is the environment where you live with your like-minded people, when you live with people of good caliber with you. So now, this is 4-bedroom Maisonette duplex here in Lekki, Lagos. So this apartment goes for 600 million naira, and the back view goes for 500 million naira. So for more details of how you can secure units in this estate, one of this luxury building, so do want to call the number below, book your inspection, come around, let's take you through a tour of this wonderful property in this location. So my name is Shamed Lawal, the lead consultant for Property Lab Nigeria. Our job is to ensure you get the best real estate deals that give you the return on investment. Thanks for watching and have a lovely time. Bye.